In this video, I will show you how to use z-scores to compare two numbers that normally would be very difficult to compare to one another. Let's see, Kayla scored a 660 on the verbal part of the SAT. SAT verbal scores have a mean of 500 and a standard deviation of 100. Her boyfriend Andrew took the American College Testing or ACT test and scored 29 on the verbal part. ACT scores are normally distributed with a mean of 18 and a standard deviation of 6. Assuming the two tests measure the same ability, who did better? Well, because of the way the SAT numbers and the ACT numbers are scored very differently, at a glance it's hard to know which is better, a 660 on the SAT or a 29 on the ACT. So if we convert them both into z-scores, then we can compare the z-scores to see who did better. Here's the formula for converting to z-score. The z-score is going to be your actual score on whatever it is minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Okay, so let's do that twice, once for Kayla and once for Andrew. So let's see, I'll call this one ZK for Kayla's z-score. So Kayla's score was 660. Let's see, the mean was 500. And a standard deviation was 100. Okay, so you can put that into your calculator or whatever. This comes out to be 1.6. Now let's compare this with Andrew. So I'll call this Z sub A, Andrew's z-score. Andrew's score was 29. The mean was 18. And the standard deviation was 6. All right, calculate that. All right, this is approximately 1.8. So, since Andrew has a higher z-score, then that means Andrew did better. So the correct answer was Andrew.